It's good opening, Ben. Yeah, good opening. What did you get? What's that? What's that, Ben? Yeah, it's a book. It's a book of trains, right? Yeah, it's Thomas. Yeah, you love Thomas, huh?
More Thomas.
Yeah, more Thomas.
Thomas.
Yeah, it's Thomas. And what's this? What's that? Yeah, it's another book. Is that a bus? Yeah. Those are wheels. Do you want to open your other present?
Yeah.
Open that one. You want to open this one right here?
Yeah.
Let's see what's inside. Boom. Keep opening. Okay, so what's inside, bud?
What is that, Betty?
What's this? Yeah, you got it open. What is it? Look, it's fruits and vegetables. Yeah, those are vegetables. And look, it's in Hebrew. Yeah, that's a tomato and corn and carrot, potato, pepper, and cucumber. Isn't that nice? Yeah.
What's this?
That's corn.
What's this?
That's corn.
What's this?
That's potato.
What's this?
That's still potato.
What's this?
And that is potato.
What's this?
That's the top of the book.
What's this?
That's corn.